welcome aboard Excursion 3. Just a few reminders to please remain seated, keeping your arms, hands, legs, and feet inside of the train at all times. Please supervise your children and make sure they're seated away from the train door opening. Either further inside of the benches or on a lap for adults. Our next stop will be Tomorrowland Station.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain.
Maybe I still got to do it. Okay. You hear that, Daddy? I think I'm going to have to Okay, once I...
Oh, here we go, railroad crossing.
This means that we're almost there. Whoa, you look so cool.
We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight. We'll be on our way again in just a minute.
Let's do Fast Choo Choo first, and that way you can do Casey Jr. and
Tomorrowland Station is going to be your stop for all space mountains, monorails, with flyers, astroblasters, astrorovers, star tours, and Rainy Boat submarine. You're going to be getting off here to speed into the train to have a favorable stop at the station, and then you can stand up to exit. Thank you.
Kelly, this is where we're going to get off, okay? Yep, right there.
Kelly, you ready, dude? Come on. Mommy.